Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is an experience sharing video. All the informations we got from our buyers. This time, the buyer is going to show us how he can use the adapters from us to convert his gadgets of iPhone to be used in Samsung Galaxy. The buyer has bought two types of adapters from us. One is from Lightning, the other one is from 30 pin. Both are to USB-C. The reason he needs these two adapters is because he has quite some of the Apple gadgets, and now he needs to be used on Samsung. You can read his gadgets from our blog. The following photos are showing how he connects to the wall charger. And remember that this adapter can be used on tablets as well. If you want to use it on tablets, the cable needs to be able to support 2A or over, and also the power adapter needs to support 2A also. When connected to the PC or Mac, it will start to begin to data sync and also charge the device at the same time. You see this picture, it is charging as well. And now he tried to connect through the 30 pin to USB-C adapter to the PC. You see here is the PC detecting the connection and asking if you really want to connect. And then with the wall charger, it looks like this. And also the phone is now showing it's charging. If you have the iPhone and also the Galaxy, maybe you can consider this 3-in-1 charging cable. It's convenient to use. On the right it is the OTG adapter. It's a USB hub and also have the SD and micro SD adapter. We have to thank you our buyer Wilson K for sharing the information with us. The item that we have mentioned is WA1125166 and also WA1125169. You can search this item number from our website wavertec.com. Thank you very much for your watching.